CAF President Patrice Motsepe has expressed confidence that South Africa's Sports, Arts and Culture Minister Gayton McKenzie will uphold FIFA's strict non-interference regulations as he demands accountability from the South African Football Association over the country's latest World Cup qualifying blunder. McKenzie has written to SAFA President Danny Jordan, CEO Lita Monyapo, and FIFA President Gianni Infantino, calling for answers and consequences following the embarrassing administrative error that saw Bafana Bafana docked 3 points in their 2026 World Cup qualifying campaign. FIFA penalized South Africa for fielding ineligible midfielder Teboho Mokoena in their victory over the Lesotho, a result that has now been overturned. The costly mistake has thrown Hugo Bross's side qualification hopes into serious jeopardy. Speaking to journalist Chifuyo Mfoko during SANEF fundraising gala dinner at Johannesburg's Houghton Hotel on Friday night, Motsepe emphasized the delicate balance between government involvement and football governance, and said all countries on the continent understand the importance of respecting the sovereignty of governments while recognizing FIFA's principles. Football does not interfere with national matters, but governments must also avoid interfering in football. I'm confident that what the minister is discussing with FIFA will be within those strict parameters. Motsepe added that any potential disagreements would likely be resolved through dialogue to ensure FIFA's rules are upheld. In his correspondence to Infantino, McKenzie apologized for the administrative blunder that led to sanction, stressing that his intervention is not an attempt to interfere in football administration, but to seek transparency and accountability. The minister has demanded a detailed report from SAFA within 7 days, outlining the timeline and decision-making process that led to Mokwena's inclusion despite his suspension. As South Africa grapples with the fallout, Mackenzie's stance has drawn bold praise for demanding accountability and scrutiny for testing the boundaries of FIFA's no-interference policy. Meanwhile, Motsepe's diplomatic assurance seeks to steady relations between government and football authorities, a relationship now under the global spotlight. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.